Hey guys, Marcus here at the Scout Outdoor Center, and today we are going to be looking at the Thermarest Z Lite Sol. This is an accordion style closed cell foam mattress. One of the benefits of closed cell foam mattresses obviously is that you don't have to inflate it, so it's extremely durable and can stand up to some pretty hard knocks. It's differentiated by having this accordion style open and close. Makes it one of the more packable closed cell foam mattresses. It also has this reflective coating that they put on the top. So you turn the mattress so that this faces up to your body. And this basically gives you, it boosts the R value of the mattress, which I believe is 2.6. So a great fringe season mattress. You could even get away with it in the Adelaide Hills and stuff in the wintertime, depending on how cold of a sleeper you are. I think it's 410 grams, so super light mat, 2.6 R value, 110 bucks. It's hard to go wrong with these mats. If you're willing to sacrifice a little bit of comfort, I could not recommend enough. I've spent quite a few nights on this mattress and I was not disappointed. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope it was somewhat informative, maybe entertaining. And if you liked it, go ahead and push that little thumbs up button down below. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, share it with your mates. And if you have any feedback for us, we would love to hear it down in the comments. Thanks a lot, guys. And until next time, get out there and enjoy yourselves. We'll catch you.